Good morning children. Welcome to today's Standard 2 online class. All the best for your new academic year children. Let's start the session with a small story. Later I'll tell you what subject we are going to start with. Okay? We are all fond of listening to stories, is it not? Yes. Let's start with the story. In a village there lived a father and two sons named Ram and Shyam. Both of them completed their studies and they were in search of their job. One day suddenly, father called both the sons and gave 10,000 to each of them. They were thinking what to do with that money. Immediately father said, "You can have this money with you. I will call you back after 6 months." So both of them agreed and left that place. Ram was an intelligent fellow. So what he did, he split that 10,000 into 5,000 and 5,000. One 5,000 what he did, he used for his living, for clothes, for food, everything. And that balance 5,000, he had a small land and for that land, he bought seeds, he sowed, he grew many crops. But the Shyam is a lazy fellow where he spent all this money in buying new clothes, eating costly foods. He was very lazy. So 1 month went on, 2 months, 3 months, and at the last of the 6th month, father called back both the sons. So father asked both of them to give the balance amount.
What did Ram say?
"I don't have any balance amount in what you gave, but I have 10,000 as a profit." So he gave it. Shyam said, 10,000. I spent that in first 2 months itself. Then for my living itself, I got money from others, he said. So, father advised Ram and Shyam. So it is the way how you are spending money results back after the long time. So what do you understand from this story, children? So the father gave amount equal to both of them. The only thing is how they spent, they got back. So similarly, God has created many talents and knowledge to all of them. It is in our hands to utilize them to come out with flying colors. So did you all enjoy the story? Yes. Now let's move on to today's subject. In English, we are going to start with grammar. Okay. Now, I am going to ask you a question. Do you know what is alphabet? Do you know what is letter? Yes, you might be aware of this. But you should have a clear difference between what is an alphabet and what are letters. Yes, alphabet is nothing but a set of letters in a fixed order. What is alphabet? It is a set or a group of letters in a fixed order. So, the letters from A to Z
are called alphabets.
Okay, so there are how many letters totally in English? Yes, there are 26 letters. 25, 24. How many letters, children? 26 letters. Are you all sure? Okay, now let's check with the alphabet song. Do you all know the alphabet song? Yes? Now come, let's sing the alphabet song. Ready? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now can you see the letters? Yes. So there are totally 26 letters. Now did you understand what is meant by alphabet and letters? Yes. Say for example your section name is awesome or dazzling. So it is similar to that alphabet. So in your section how many children are there? There may be 30 students, there may be 25 students, there may be 40 students, is it not? So same way in a class called alphabet, there are 26 letters. So we are thorough with what is meant by alphabet and what are letters. Now, out of this 26 letters, we have some letters special characters. There are few letters which have special characters. So, I am going to tell you what are those letters that have the special characters. Are you all ready to listen to it? Let's start with a small story. Are you all ready? Okay. In a beautiful village, there were two families. How many families? Two families. One was the consonant family and the other was the vowel family. Now, I am going to introduce the members of the vowel family. Shall we see the members? Yes. Let's start with the first member of the family. Let's start with the first member of the family. Can you see? Yes, the first member of the vowel family is A. A has got two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. So, who's the first member of the vowel family? A. The second member of the family is E. A. E. E has also got two sounds, a short sound and a long sound. The first member is A, the second member is E. Here comes the third member of the family, A, E, I. Who is the third member of the family? I. So the first member of the vowel family is A, second is E, and the next one is I. The next member is O. A, E, I, O. Only one more is left. Can you guess? Shall we see? Yes. And the last member of the family is U. So, how many members are there in the vowel family? Like 5 fingers in a hand, 5 members in a family. A, E, I, O, U. One day what happened? All the members of the vowels felt bored. So, they all
Decided together.
and started with the game. They started playing hide and seek. They all fought. Each of them decided to be a catcher. So at the last what happened? Two of them decided that they will be catcher for one time and they will play the game. Now they are going to start with the game. So the first catcher was E. Now it is going to find the other members of the family. So he found a vowel. Can you guess which is the first vowel whom the E vowel found? Yes, it is the vowel A. Very good. Here comes the next member. So it is going to search for the next member. The fifth member. Who is that? It went in search of U. The vowel U. Superb. Next, out of the second or fourth, which vowel shall we see? The fourth one. Which is the fourth vowel I said? Yes, I. And the leftover? A, E, I, U. The last one is O. Okay. So, likewise, each of the vowels was captured and found the other vowels and they all felt so tired after playing the game. After playing the game, how do you all feel, children? You all feel hungry, is it not? So same way, all these vowels also felt so hungry. So they went in search of food. But they had one condition. What was it? They will eat the food only if it starts with their name. Okay? Now let's see whether they ate the food or not. First, the vowel O went in search of things to eat. It saw many things and the first thing it saw was aeroplane.
Does it start with O?
Aeroplane. No. The next one was ink bottle.
Does it start with O?
Ink bottle. E. Ink. I sound. So the next one is helicopter. No, it doesn't suit for O. The next one is egg. O for egg? No. Next was the umbrella. Does it suit for O? No. And finally, it went to orange. Yes, the vowel O was happy to eat the orange. So, it took the orange with him and went out of that place. The vowel U came next in search of things to eat. It found aeroplane, ink bottle, helicopter, egg, and umbrella. So the vowel U was happy to say umbrella because it starts with U, but it is not eatable. So it felt so sad and stood there. The next vowel was A. A went in search of things. It found aeroplane, ink bottle, helicopter, egg. And it was happy to see aeroplane. But it is not eatable, so it felt sad and stood there. Next came the vowel I. I went in search of things. So it saw ink bottle and it was so happy, but at the same time so sad because it does not have anything to eat. So it also stood there. And at last, the vowel E came in search of food and it was so happy to see the eatable egg. The vowels E and O were happy as they got eatables orange and egg. So they both decided with the friends A, I and U vowels to share among them and eat everything. So all the members of the family felt happy to share and eat. So the vowel family was happy. So who are the members of the vowel family? A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. Now let's see what it is. Let's take the vowel A. I'm going to tell you a few examples, so listen carefully to the pronunciation. Okay, vowel A. So what are the pictures you can see at the back of me? Yes, it is apple. Apple. One more is axe. Axe. Okay. One more, apron. Apron. Okay. These are the two sounds, short sound and long sound for the vowel A. Okay. Next is vowel E. The vowels E and O were happy as they got eatables orange and egg. So they both decided with the friends A, I and U vowels to share among them and eat everything. So all the members of the family felt happy to share and eat. So the vowel family was happy. So who are the members of the vowel family? A, E, I, O, U. Again, A, E, I, O, U. Next is the vowel O. Old. Old. Can you see an old man? Yes, old. Now, can you see an orange? Orange. Orange. Yes, two sounds. Okay. Next is the last vowel U. Uniform. Can you see this uniform? Yes, our school uniform. Uniform. Okay. One more sound is umbrella. Umbrella. Two sounds. Now did you all understand the two sounds of the vowels? So that is why these are special letters. So what are vowels? What is the definition for vowels? Vowels are sounds that help make words. Okay. Vowels are sounds that help make words. How many vowels are there? 5. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Once again, vowels are sounds that help make words. So, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Other than the vowels, the rest of the letters are consonants. Okay, let's do some exercise part. Now, I am going to show you the picture and you have to identify the vowels in the word. Yes, can you see this animal? Yes, what animal it is? Cat. Yes, C-A-T, cat. Okay, what is the vowel here? A. Very good. A is the vowel here. Super. Next. See this? What it is? With this we can write. Yes, it is a pen. What is the spelling for pen? P-E-N. So which is the vowel here? What letter is the vowel here? E. Very good. E is the vowel. Next one. What is this? Blue in color. Ink. I-N-K. Ink. So what is the vowel here? I. Very good. Super. Next, can you see this bird which has round eyeballs? Round eyes? Yes. Owl. O-W-L. So what is the vowel here? O. Super. Next. What picture is this? Jug. J-U-G. Jug. So what is the vowel here? A. E. I. O, then what is the vowel? Yes, it is U. Very good, super. Now, I am going to show you the picture and the word and we are going to tell both vowels and consonants. First the vowels, next the consonants. Yes? Yes. I-G-L-O-O. What it is? Igloo. Yes. Now let's tell the vowels. What are the vowels here? I and O. Two O's are there but we can tell as one O. I, O. So two vowels. So G, L are consonants. Very good. Next, umbrella. This we can use in rainy season and summer season. Is it not? Here what are the vowels? U, E, A. Very good. Rest of the letters M, B, R, L are called consonants. Super. One more example. Ice cream. What are the vowels here? I, E, A. The rest of the letters are called consonants. Very good. So we are clear about what are vowels and what are consonants. Fill in the blanks with vowels. B dash T. You can see the picture. What picture it is? Yes, bat. So the vowel here is A, B-A-T, bat. Very good. Second, there are given two pictures. C dash P. So what vowel we should fill? Yes, it can be C-U-P, cup, or C-A-P, cap. Both are correct. So either you can fill with vowel U or vowel A, cup, cap. Okay. Next one. P dash N. Pen, pan. P-E-N, pen. P-A-N, pan. You can fill with the vowel A or E. Okay. Now we are clear with what are vowels, what are consonants. Now let's move on to the grammar book pages. Page number 3 and page number 4. Page number 3, vowels and consonants. Meet Nikki and Ricky. The name of the girl is Nikki and the boy name is Ricky. It is the vowels and consonants day at their school. Nikki and Ricky are dressed up in vowels and consonants. They are wearing dresses which have both vowels and consonants in them. So what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Other than the vowels, the rest of them are called as consonants. Now see the first heading. Enclose the vowels and encircle the consonants. Enclose means you have to draw a box next to in the vowel. If it is encircle, you have to draw a circle to the letter. So vowels we have to enclose and consonants we have to encircle. Once again, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So if you find only these 5 letters, we have to draw a box, or else we have to draw a circle. Okay. Now let's see few letters as examples in Nikki's dress. Say, for example, the letter is G. G is a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. So we have to circle it. Yes. E. E is a vowel. So we have to enclose, draw a box. Very good. Next. T. T is a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. So what we have to do? We have to draw a circle. Next. B. B is a vowel or a consonant? Consonant. So we have to draw a circle. In circle. Next. X. X is vowel or consonant? It is a consonant. So we have to encircle. So we have to check out the letters in both Nikki and Ricky's dress, and we have to enclose the vowels and encircle the consonants. Now next heading, write the missing vowels to make meaningful words. Incomplete it is given. So we have to fill in with the vowels, only the vowels. So see the first one, Y dash M. Y A M, yam. So what is yam? It is a eatable which we get from plant. Okay, yam. Y A M, yam. Okay, next one. Y dash S. Y E S. Yes. Yes or no? We ask, is it not? So Y E S, yes. Next word. W dash G. What is the vowel? It should be there. It is A. W A G. Wag. What is the meaning of wag? It is a new word for you, right? Yes. Wag is nothing but like shaking up and down or side to side in a fast manner. That is wag. Okay. W A G. Wag. Next word. N dash. What vowel should come? O. Yes. N O. No. Very good. Next word. S-N dash W. What it is? Snow. S-N-O-W. Snow. Very good. Next. B dash T. What it is? Bat. So we have to write vowel A. B-A-T. Bat. The next word. Dash P. Up. U-P. Up. So we have to write the vowel U. The next word. G-R-N. It is a color. What color it is? Yes, green. G-R-E-E-N. So we have to write the vowels E-E. Green. Next. R-P dash. R-O-P-E. O and E. Okay. Rope. R-O-P-E. Rope. So what is rope? It is a thick string. Okay, rope. Next one. H dash M dash. H O M E. O and E. H O M E. Home. Home. Okay. So these are the words that we have completed with filling the vowels. Page number 4. Letters and words. Nikki and Ricky are making a special book of words. They need words beginning with all the 26 letters of the alphabet. So what is the exercise part? Write 2 words beginning with each letter. So how many letters altogether we have? We have 26 letters. So
Ricky and Nikki need
2 words starting with each letter. Okay, 2 words starting with the each letter. Now let's begin with the letters. So what is the first letter? A. Yes, A. Now I am going to give you a clue and you are going to tell me, and we are going to write the words. Okay. It is a air transport. It starts with A. What it is, can you guess? S. Aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. So you have to write as A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Next one. It is a tiny creature, but it bites us very sharp. What it is? It is a tiny creature. Yes, starts with A. It is ant. A-N-T, ant. So for A, aeroplane, ant. Next letter is B. So I'm going to tell the clue as we can eat this fruits peeling the skin. We have to peel out the skin and eat. It starts with B. What fruit it is? Banana. Very good. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Okay. Name any one animal that starts with letter B. It gives milk. It is not cow. Another animal which starts with B. Yes, buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. The next letter is C. This is a non-living thing. It has teeth, but it won't bite us. What it is? Yes, it is comb. So write C-O-M-B, comb. One more is the animal which gives the sound meow. Yes, cat. C-A-T, cat. So comb, cat. Next letter is D. It guards our house from the thieves. Which animal? Dog. Very good. D-O-G, dog. Write as D-O-G, dog. One more is the other animal we can write as donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Dog, donkey. The next letter is E. So let me give you the example or the clue as the blue planet. Which is called as the blue planet, children? Earth. Very good. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. What subject we are reading? English. It starts with the letter E. E-N-G-L-I-S-H. So Earth, English. Okay. What is the next letter? F. It swims in water. What animal it is? Yes, fish. F-I-S-H, fish. One more animal starting with letter F. Frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Fish, frog. The next letter is after F, G. Yes. If you don't know anything, immediately you will start browsing it, is it not? So you will browse in what? Of course in the mobile. In mobile, where do you go and browse? Google. Yes. G-O-O-G-L-E. Google. Can you tell any animal with letter G? Yes. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Super. A-B-C-D-E-F-G-H. Okay. An animal which has ponytail. Which animal has got ponytail? Horse. Okay. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Hat. Horse. Next letter is I. Igloo. We can write as igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. The one more word is ice cream. I-C-E. Ice. C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. The next letter is J. One more name for the forest. Jungle. Yes. J-U-N-G-L-E. Jungle. J-U-N-G-L-E. Jungle. Comma jug. J-U-G. Jug. So jungle, jug. The next letter is K. Now we are going to write one object which is colorful and flies height. We can fly it height. What it is? Yes, kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Next animal starts with K. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. So for K, kite, kangaroo. Okay. Next L. L. Lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. What is meant by lamb? The young ones of the sheep is called lamb. Okay. We get wool from sheep, is it not? The young one of the sheep is called lamb. L-A-M-B. Lamb. Next. The fruit which is used to prepare juice. Yes. Lemon. Very good. L-E-M-O-N. Lemon. The next letter is M. It looks like an umbrella which comes during rainy season. 1 or 2 days it will be there, then it will disappear. What it is? Mushroom. Very good. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M. R-O-O-M, mushroom. Next is our national fruit. Which is our national fruit? Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mushroom, mango. The next letter is N. If we eat this, we'll feel stronger. We'll feel healthy. What it is? Nuts. N-U-T-S, nuts. Okay. One more word is the bird's living place. What it is called as? Nest. N-E-S-T, nest. So nuts, nest. Next is O. A bird which can turn 360 degrees. Which bird? Owl. Yes, O-W-L, owl. The next word is the name of the fruit and the color of the fruit are the same. Can you guess what fruit? Orange. Very good. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. The next letter is P. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. And can you see this picture with what we will write? With what you are writing? Yes, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. The next letter is Q. Who is this? Who is wearing a crown on her head? Queen. Very good. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. Next, it is like a blanket but a little thick. What it is? It is called as quilt. Q-U-I-L-T, quilt. Queen, quilt. What is the next letter? R. Yes, bunny. What is the name of the bunny? Yes, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. One more is, you can see it flying from the land to the sky. Rocket. Yes, R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Rabbit, rocket. What is the next letter? S. Yes, can you tell an animal starting with S? Snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. One more is the hottest planet. Which is the hottest planet? Sun. S-U-N, sun. The next letter is T. So what we can write? We have written many animals' names. So let's write some non-living things. We can write table. T-A-B-L-E, table. One more word is tent. T-E-N-T, tent. The next letter is U. Yes, it is used both in summer and rainy season. What it is? Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. One more word is the new word utensils. Utensils. Utensils are those which are used to cook food. Okay. Utensils. U-T-E-N-S-I-L-S. Utensils. So for you it is umbrella, utensils. What is the next letter? V. Vase. What is vase? We can keep some flowers in that vase and keep it as a decoration plant on the table. Okay. So vase. V-A-S-E, vase. One more word is road transport. Can you tell any road transport that starts with the letter V? Van. V-A-N, van. Yes. S-T-U-V-W. For W we can write two words. The first word is W-I-D-E, white. And the one more is animal, W-O-L-F, wolf. W-O-L-F, wolf. For W, wide, wolf. Okay. The next one is X. Can you see this one? Colorful. And if you give, when you tap with that, the long rod, you will get different sounds. What it is? Yes, xylophone. It starts with X but we pronounce as xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E, xylophone. And the next one is like a transparent sheet. Yes, what it is? X-ray. X hyphen R-A-Y, X-ray. Okay. The next letter is Y. So we already saw in the page number 3 a word starting with Y. Do you remember? Yes, yam. Y-A-M, sorry. Y-A-M, yam. One more color, can you guess that it starts with the letter Y? Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. The last letter, the 26th letter is Z. So what shall we write? Shall we write zoo? Yes. Z-O-O, zoo. One more word is zip. Z-I-P, zip. So for Z it is zip, zoo. Okay. Now so these are the words for each letter. So you can think and write for each letter. Let's have a quick recap of what all we saw today. So we saw what are vowels, what are consonants. So what are vowels? Vowels are sounds that help make words. There are short vowels, long vowels. So total there are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. So we saw finger puppets for the vowels. And next to that we saw a short story for the vowels. Then we saw what are consonants. So the letters other than the vowels, the rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. So after this we started with the book exercise, page number 3 and page number 4. So let's have a quick recap in Tamil. என்னெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம்? Vowels na என்ன, consonants na என்ன? Vowels அந்த ஒரு wordல இந்த sound வரதுக்கு help ஆற அந்த letters தான் vowels அப்படினு சொல்வாங்க. So அந்த vowels எத்தனை இருக்கு? So there are 5. அது என்னன்னா A, E, I, O, U. இந்த 26 லெட்டர்ல அந்த 5 லெட்டர் தவிர மித்த 21 லெட்டரும் கான்சனன்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். So vowelsம் கான்சனன்ட்டும் கிளியரா நம்ம தெரிஞ்சிட்ட அப்புறமா book exercise பண்ணோம். Hope you all understood and enjoyed this video, children.